All right, so we're back. We've done the C and the R of CRUD using Ruby on Rails. So again, the R, we can read every single business. We can view each individual business. And now we have the ability to create a new business. So let's actually have this Raymond's, actually let's not pick on Raymond, Sharif's Lemonade Stand. All right, we'll call this, we'll just do the Chicago. And best lemonade in town may contain poison. So I created the thing, it saved successfully, and now it's inside, I've been redirected to businesses/12. When I go back to all of them, you can see right at the bottom, there's Sharif's Lemonade Stand. He's ID number 12, so every single time, no matter what, I will always get the same person. So we're able to create and read everything. Now we want to update it. So Sharif gets very angry. He sees that, hey, I did not allow this to happen. Like my web intern John decided to put this thing that says may contain poison, but it actually just may contain cyanide instead. I want to change the word from poison to cyanide. So first things first, I deal with it inside of the routes. I'm going to add something here. So get/businesses/id/edit. I want to see the form for me to edit something new. So whenever anybody visits this edit page, I'm going to take them to the businesses controller, the edit action. Down over here, I'm just going to create a new def edit action. And first things first, I'm just going to find the business. At business equals business.find params ID. Based off of the parameters inside the URL, I'm looking for a key called ID. I'm going to find it and then save it as @business here. So route, controller talks to the model, and then now I'm going to create a new view for myself called edit.html.erb. It's going to look a little something like this. So I have edit business, and all I'm doing, this is the same thing as yesterday. I'm going to post to /businesses/business ID, but in reality, I'm actually going to hide this and say it's going to be a put. I'm going to throw in the name, the address, the description, and update right here. So if I go to /businesses/12/edit, hey, there it is. Everything, Sharif's Lemonade Stand in Chicago, it may contain ants. May contain ants, and I hit this update button. As of right now, it should probably blow up. It says there's no route that matches put businesses/12. So what do you think the issue is right here?
Create a route.
I have to create a route. I don't have a route that says put businesses/12. So I have all my gets in one place, all my posts in one place. I'm going to put my put in one place as well. So put businesses/ID will take me to businesses #update. So this is just to see the form. Once I submit the form, it's going to take me to the put businesses ID to this update method underneath the businesses controller. Jump over to the controller. I'm going to create this method, update.
We just send this on the same route that we used when we first created the business?
We could actually do that, but post is for creating something new. So I would actually be using, if I went to the same bit of logic, I'm actually creating a new business instead of overwriting the previous one.
Yeah, okay.
So I'm going to have this def update, add this in here. And let's kind of read line by line. So line 32, I have an instance variable called business. I'm going to find the business inside the database. If I can update the attributes, which is a built-in method inside of Active Record with the business params below, then I'll flash that it was updated successfully and redirect them to that page. Otherwise, I'm going to say that you messed up, and I'm still going to redirect them to that page. Is there anything that I can refactor here? The redirect, regardless if you're successful or not successful, I'm still redirecting you. So I'm just going to move this underneath because I know I'm going to redirect them no matter what. So find the business. It updates successfully. I'm going to flash a success message and then redirect. If it doesn't update successfully, I'm going to flash this error message and still redirect them.
Why wouldn't it update successfully?
Let's see. Okay, let's see if this does not update successfully.
I meant like on their end, like so it's not something they can do. It would have to be on the code end, right?
It's no, it also could be their issue because we said we're allowing strings to come in, but what if it was like I just want numbers?
Oh, got it.
You know, things like that. You know, if they entered in something wrong, I want to make sure that they know.
Okay.
So it's like instead, if I entered a bunch of letters for my social security number rather than a bunch of numbers, then I don't want that.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna bring this back then. All right, so let's go back to my businesses/12/edit. You can kind of see we have best lemonade town may contain rats. I'm gonna update right here. If all goes well, it'll redirect me to 12 and say updated successfully, and there it is. Description: best lemonade in town may contain rats. Maybe I'll add a little link right here underneath this back. So I believe that's the show, and instead of that, I'm going to have a slash slash businesses slash business .id close slash edit this business. See if it works. All right. Edit this business and then back. Something blow up. Let's throw a horizontal line across the page. Right. Edit this business and back. So I have the ability to go back to all the businesses. I have the ability just to click this and it'll take me to the edit page for this particular business. Finally, we did CRU, crew, create, read, and update, and now we're going to do the last one, which is just delete. We're going to start with the route. We're going to create, I have all my gets in one place, I have all my posts in one place, and my puts in one place. I'm going to have my delete as well. So whenever anyone makes a delete request to this particular URI, I'm going to send them to the businesses controller, the destroy method. Right. I'm going to throw this here, def destroy. Maybe I'll do @business equals business.find again. Param ID, business correctly. And then I'm going to do @business.destroy. And I'm going to redirect to the home page. I'll probably refactor this. I don't think I need to use @business anymore. Just that.
You're not going to put an if condition, like if it doesn't destroy?
It'll destroy all the time.
Okay.
Yeah. And then finally, inside of my show, maybe I'll have a this link down here. So I would do this, then another horizontal line. I have a form, because by default forms are going to be posts, but in reality I need to make this a delete. So I have a method that just says delete. It's going to post to /businesses/ that particular ID, but in reality I'm going to hide this hidden method here, which is called delete. So instead of doing a post request, I'm going to do a delete request instead, and then it's going to say, and then it's going to delete it from the database. So let's just refresh this to see that link on there. Or it's just a button. Cool. So when I click this thing right here, it's going to go inside the database, delete business number 12, and redirect me to the homepage. Hit this, goes away. You can see Sharif's lemonade stand is no longer there. Let's get rid of the Bernhard group, and we can delete this one as well. Bernhard group no longer exists. If I go to Sharif's page, which was, I think it was businesses/12, because I couldn't find an ID with number 12 because I've deleted him from the database. Same thing over here. Could not find business with ID number 12. All right, so we did it. Like that's pretty much all there is to creating a CRUD app inside of Rails. A lot of it is just routes, controllers, views. Routes, controller, view, route, controller, view. That's using that same thing over and over again. So today, I'm gonna stop recording. Actually, I'll keep recording here. We're gonna have. I will recommend that you go through all of this again. Just kind of read through it. I'll put the videos up very, very shortly. But you have a challenge called Event Calendar. Same thing as the other day. Like you have a calendar of events. I can create, read, update, and destroy events using Rails. Don't worry about Sinatra anymore. We're moving straight onto Rails, and we will be in Rails for the rest of the time. And then that thing I was talking about, REST. Here's basically the breakdown of it. This is following like RESTful patterns, and you can kind of read this at your leisure. So I created this just to make it a little easier for you. All right, let me stop recording here, and we'll get started.
Go back to